So this is our next setup.
It looks like he's struggling.
These bees have no idea what they have coming to them. It's gonna be bloody. Alright, what we have here is a swarm of jihadi bees with their explosives. Looks like they've rigged up a refrigerator-borne improvised explosive device with a fire extinguisher on top. So, about to be good times. What do you think?
It's gonna be fun. There's gonna be a lot of dead bees.
Holy shit.
Well, this is where it was. Bits and pieces of it all over. Compressor. And there's something out here somewhere. We're certain. Yeah.
It almost touched me.
That's what 4 pounds of Tannerite does to a refrigerator.
Oh, that was awesome.
The thing is destroyed.